Welcome to our ALM Octane Video Series. This is Jairam. Today I'm going to walk you through how to create a user story. So one of the important steps while you are delivering agile project using Octane tool. So in other videos we already saw that in a backlog section we used to create epics, and we also describe how to create the features for that. Now we are going to talk about how to create a backlog items. Items consist of two elements. The one is user story and another is a task. So let's go click on a backlog, and then you will be able to have all the features listed on a backlog. Go on a features, and then you'll have all the features listed over here. You can also go on a backlog and create directly a user story over here. However, if you come here and directly create this user story, you need to select these two parents element for that. So let's go on this and then select the one which you want to create. So for example, this one I wanted to add a backlog item. Click on ID, and then you will have a details of those features listed over here. Go on a backlog item, and you will see there's nothing added on this feature. So you add user story. Click on this user story, and a new forms will available to create user story, one of the backlog item in this feature. So name of the user story, let me name as a user to. Okay, so name whatever name, the suitable name you wanted to give, and then put a description on the field. Then as I mentioned you, since we traverse through the features, application modules, team, these are and the release, these are the pre-populated values, because while we are creating the feature, this value we already entered. So now next, to enter the story point calculation, so while you have a team meeting or a planning meeting, you calculate that your story point and put it over here. Again, the target is sprint. So sprint, let's say we are targeting to sprint 2. Now coming to this acceptance criteria, one of the important field which actually the product owner will give it to you, that how they are going to accept it. So acceptance criteria future product owner will give you, and you have to write or capture the acceptance criteria. Acceptance criteria is like my feed file for in the Scrum should be consumed by application. Okay, they might give you the format of the report, they might give you the condition that I'll be applying. So those are the conditions you are going to receive from the product owner. Then in case of a project, you need to have a solution on it. If you have a demand type as a CR, then your SME will write a solution around it, like to add that feedback what they need, so that steps of the solution they need to write over here. Coming to the DoD, these are the sample DoD you will find. So that's what the comment said. Update DoD once your user story completed. These are the checklist kind of thing that you need test pass. I will cover more on DoD, how to write DoD, which level of DoD, that you are. I will be covering on a next video or my other video. A task. If you have your task listed, list all the tasks over here. For example, if I have task one, task 2, then go and create a enter line by line, and then application will create for you, and just click add. The moment click add, you will be able to see that user story has been created and one ID has been assigned to it. Thank you for watching.